Why is my HVAC system collecting so much dust? Your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system collects so much dust mainly because of a dirty or low-quality air filter, gaps in your ductwork, and skipping regular filter changes, which lets dust circulate through your home instead of getting trapped and removed. Think of your heating and cooling system like the lungs of your house, breathing air in and out through vents and ducts all day long. Every time that air moves, it picks up tiny bits of skin, fabric, pet hair, and outdoor dirt, and pushes them through the vents. If the filter is cheap, dirty, or the wrong size, it cannot catch those tiny particles, so they just blow right back into your rooms. Something a lot of people do not know is that leaky ducts, especially in your attic or crawl space, can actually pull in dust and debris from those dirty areas and mix it into the air you breathe. Another sneaky cause is a dirty blower fan or coil inside the unit itself, which can shed debris every time the system kicks on. A simple action you can take today is checking your filter size and rating, then switching to a pleated filter with a higher rating, which traps smaller particles much better than a basic fiberglass one. One common mistake is forgetting to change the filter often enough, so try setting a reminder every 30 days, or every 60 days if you do not have pets. Another misconception is thinking a bigger, thicker filter always means better airflow, but if it is not rated for your specific system, it can actually restrict airflow and cause more dust to leak around the edges. People also forget to get their ductwork inspected, so having a technician seal and check your ducts once a year can make a surprisingly big difference. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.